Okay, to install WinBoat in Ubuntu 24.04, I'm going to right-click the app image, click Properties and Permissions, and make sure Is Executable is checked. Then OK. Then to the terminal, in the directory that I have my app image, enter / the name of the app image, then -- no - sandbox. Okay, WinBoat started up. Click Next. At the license agreement, click I agree. And you'll see all the prerequisites, all the ones with an X. Click on How, and a web page will open. For installing Docker, you just copy and paste all the commands on that page, and you can follow along as I do that. So in a terminal, copy and paste. Okay, after EOF, we're going to type sudo apt update. Then keep pasting. Okay, we're checking the status of Docker. It is active and running. So next, we're going to test it out by typing sudo docker run hello world. And you can see it's downloading, and it successfully downloaded it, so Docker is running good. So we'll close out of WinBoat and restart it. Click Next. I agree. And we can see that Docker and Docker Compose 2 are good. We need to add our logged in user into the Docker group. So close out, go back to the terminal. The first command is sudo group add Docker. Second command, sudo usermod -a capital G Docker and your username. Okay, next, log out, log back in. Then in a terminal, type docker run hello-world again. Everything's still working in Docker. So next, start WinBoat again. Next, I agree. And we see the only thing we have left is to install RDP3. So you can open up a terminal. If you're using X11, type in sudo apt install FreeRDP 3-X11. If you're using Wayland, there's a different command for that. Okay, close WinBoat again, restart it. Click Next. I agree. Everything is good here, so click Next. Then choose an install location and click Next. Then select the edition of Windows you want to use, and the language, and click Next. Then enter a username and password. Click Next. Choose your cores, the amount of RAM, and the disk size you want to use. Then click Next. I'm not going to enable home folder sharing now. You can do that later, so I'm going to click Next. Then click Install. Then click Finish. You'll be taken to the home dashboard, which will have a play button, stop, and pause. Everything's red now, and now everything is up and running. So if you go over to Apps on the left side, in the upper left corner, you'll see the Windows Desktop button. If you click that, you'll be taken to a Windows desktop. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.